Meaning of intensifier.
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 Intensifier. An intensifier is a word or phrase that is used to add emphasis or strength to another word or phrase. In linguistics, an intensifier is a modifier that increases the degree of a particular property or quality. For example, in the phrase very happy, the word very serves as an intensifier that enhances the intensity of the adjective happy. Other examples of intensifiers include words like extremely, absolutely, completely, and utterly. Intensifiers are commonly used in both spoken and written language to convey a stronger or more vivid sense of meaning.